Grand Rising. Come to work with me. Here I am collecting all of my various items. You guys, I swear I look like a bag lady in the morning with all this stuff. But I look cute though. Walking into the building here at Medicine Salon Suites and Spa. I'm usually the first or second person here in the mornings. There is our IV hydration room. Oh my gosh, that poster keeps falling down. I have to come back and fix that. Punching the code in. Okay, girl, get the door open. We are in. Good morning. I like to set the vibe right, so I usually come in,
turn on lo-fi
tell
radio.
Alexa to get my music going, turn on the lamp, and then my favorite part, I love to open up my window so I can look out at the sky. I don't know, this is just really one of my favorite parts. It's a pretty decent view when you're laying down on the spa bed, and it's nice there's no cars in the parking lot just yet. It just really, ties the scenery together. All right, gotta get ready for a facial. See you later. Bye.
Take over the mama. Type of girl I know my daddy, he be proud of. I'll be proud of. I'll be proud of. I'll be proud. You know. Wanna be the type of girl you take him to your mama. Type of girl I know your fellas, they be proud of. I'll be proud of. I'll be proud of. I'll be proud of. Boy, you know. No girl. I wish I was a normal girl.
And how you lose your cool, and how you look at me too, saying, I'm fighting, I can't stop it. This is the way you bump your fist, and how you wash your hair from my face.
When you feel moody or irritable, or you have lost your drive or motivation, you may need vitamin B supplements. One of the best ways to get 100% bioavailability is with an IV hydration or a vitamin nutrient injection.